Learn Persian alphabet, letter Sad. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal channel. Today we have another part of Persian alphabet letters and we are going to dive in letter Sad. The seventh Persian letter is named Sad, Sad, and it is pronounced S, just like the letter Sin. Remember, it sounds S, like the beginning sound in the English word soap. Okay, sing. And the form of this letter in the beginning or the middle of the word is like this. Sob. In spoken Persian, we usually omit he and we say sob. Soap. Sabun. And sabun means soap. Sabun. Qisse. Qisse. Synonym with dastan. But dastan is written with sin. Tasmim. Tasmim. And the form in the end of the word is like this. Se. Khas. Naqs. Naqis. Pay attention that letter Sad is originally from Arabic. So most words that is written with letter Sad is somehow Arabic or it has Arabic root in it. If you want to support Learn Persian with Asal channel, you can subscribe to the channel. And for supporting more, please join in my Patreon. But you know that there is no obligation, but there is much appreciation. And for more information about Persian online classes, you can send me email at persian.by.asal@gmail.com. Now it's time to show you a text and you have to find the two forms of the letter Sad in the text and highlight it. Like Sad in soap or Sedaye and blah blah. There is no need to read the words. You have to recognize the two forms of the letter Sad. So don't worry about that. There's no vowel on the words and you can't read them. It's okay. The purpose of this exercise is to find and to recognize the different forms of the letter Sad. Recognizing the shape in the middle of the words is the purpose of this exercise. You can pause the video and practice. Then I'll show you the answer now. Ready? Here is the answer. The red letters are the different forms of the letter Sad. Now let's make some new words with the letters that we know so far. Alef bet sajim cheh dal za rez je sin shin sad. The first is sabr. Sabr is the noun. And we have the verb is sabr kardan. یکم صبر داشته باش. الان تموم میشه. یکم صبر داشته باش. الان تموم میشه. Here the word by word translation is have a little patience. But in English you can say just hang in there. یکم صبر داشته باش. The next word is خاص. خاص. این هدیه برای یک دوست خاص است. این هدیه برای یک دوست خاص است. دوست خاص, a special friend. روز خاص, a special day. Well, now it's time for the homework. You have to write 3 lines of the two forms of the letter Sad. And you can write the new words like sabr and khas because you know all the letters. You can practice writing here. Well guys, that was the letter Sad. I hope you enjoy it. You can practice and send your homeworks to me. I will check all of your answers as soon as possible. Here is the playlist of all the letters that we know so far. And here is a video that I covered all the alphabets in one video. بوست کله هاتون. I'm Asaf. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.